Okay, Athom, I'm going to show you the setup here. Got the power supply on the right. See, the meter is hooked to it. 1201 volts. 12 volts is going into your Athom controller there. And then we got the output is the black going to ground. Yellow's hooked to data. And red is hooked to VCC. And that then feeds into the WS2811 lights. Now, if we unplug this right here, unplug that. We unplug that right there and then plug it back in real fast, you'll see that they just flick for a second. See, there was this little flash there if you saw it. Do it again. Yeah, there we go. Leave it plugged in. All right, so then that leads up over here to the cell phone here on the Wi-Fi. Let's turn it this way. Okay, as you can see here, it's not doing anything to the lights. And I know you want to see the config, so let's go over to the config. Okay, so let's go through them. Wi-Fi setup. Getting like a glare on it. Okay.
This is our home network with this password. All the static information is blank or 000 subnet 25.25.25.0. We're not using the Wi-Fi, so I don't know if this is relevant, but the app IP address is 4.3.2.1, and that's your screen.
Okay, go to the next one.
Oh, wrong way. Config. Go to LED preferences, 50 light strings total, 12 volt, 2 amp, maximum current 1850 milliamps, 12 volts, 30 milliamps per bulb. The WSL281X GP is set to 1, like you had on your setup screen that you told us we had to have. The button 0 is 0. Relay group GPIO is 12. Inverted is checked. We have the power up is on. Reset is checked. And then you can see all the rest of these settings. Okay, there's your LED setup.
Okay. Is there any more?
Yeah, there's tons of these. Well, this is the user interface. We didn't change any of these. It's showing the color wheel like you saw in the front. That tells you the black labels. This is just basically for, you should know, obviously, is this part of here, that's that setup. So that we've had it, so it's color wheel, and then that, we can't get it to do anything.
Okay, it's not even clicking the relay anymore, right?
Yeah, this is, it says power on.
Yeah, last night that was clicking the relay, and tonight it ain't doing
that
nothing.
went off, went back on.
So I don't know what's going on there.
And obviously on some videos we saw, we should be getting color that's changing as we move on here, but again, we just have it set at the default to do those, but again, changing these doesn't make any effect if you just do one color. doesn't do the, the lights don't change.
Yep. So
now, if you want to see any more of these configuration files, there's this is just time and macros, user modes, and security and update. I don't know if you need to see any of these, because I think this would just should I be working with just what those are. So let's just do security and update. So you could see no password on it. Deny access to Wi-Fi settings if blocked is not checked. We obviously are not going to do a factory reset. The Arduino is turned on. And this is basically telling you what it is. So again, we're just going to go back because I didn't want to reboot it unless you want to try a reboot on there.
what's that gonna do?
Well, it'll just maybe it'll make the lights light up, I guess.
The relay, you mean?
I heard the relay click.
Yeah, I did. Now the relay's clicking. You got to turn that to get that glare off of that. There you go.
Now it does what it does now. It's offline, and then we can't get it. It won't come back online unless we fiddle around with it for a long time.
Yeah, that's another thing it does too. It acts kludgy when it doesn't want to. It doesn't want to come online.
It'll just load forever.
Yep. So why don't I send this over to him and see what he says? Nothing else to add?
No.
All right.